Hi everyone, it's HephDel Collection again, and today we are working on this particular hat. It's called Cobweb hat, Fascinator, because it actually looks like cobweb. Alright, so I'm almost done with it. I'm left with just an embellishment alone. I'm just left with embellishment. Alright, so I just want to quickly tell us how I came about this and what I used. Right, so you need your Fascinator base, either a molded one or the one you get from the market. But I had to cover this with the black because I actually wanted something black. Actually, I wanted something champagne gold, but the decoratives I got are not actually champagne gold, so I had to just change it to black so that I can use champagne gold on top, or the deep gold rather. So I used my wire, my luminary wire. Then I used this, I don't know what it is called, or bling bling or whatever you call it. Then I used my bias. Then I used cord, whatever it is called. I don't know what it is called in the tailoring or what it is. That was what I used to wrap my wire that I cut out. Then as for the measurement, you can make it however way you want it, how big you want, how wide you want your brim to be. That's how wide. Then for some you will need like 3 of this wire, 1, 2, and the third one is going to be under this. But for this project I didn't use the third wire. Then you need your needle and your thread. You need your UHU gum, that's UHU gum. Then you need your brush. You need other decoratives. I used these flowers, and I'm going to be using baling. Then I'm going to be using this linoleum pipe. I'm going to be using it as well. Then you need your cutter for you to cut the wire. You need your decoratives. Alright, so embellishing actually depends on how you want it done. So now I'm going to start the embellishment and come back to show you. Embellishment totally depends on you. So however you want it done, how you want it to give you your results, depends on you. So you just embellish it the way you want. So meanwhile, before I go, I'd like to tell you how to shape this. You just set your wire down like so.
Set your wire as it is shown in this picture, and the other strips attach it as it is shown here.
Then you place it like you want it to be standing, the distance you want in between here and here. Then you cut a straight strip of your desired measurement that will fit into the length of these wires across. You cut it out, then you wrap it all around with your cord or maybe with your bias. How I did this, I started wrapping it up with the bias. After that, I now wrapped it up with this cord to make it thick and last long. That's why I did it that way. If you want that also, you can do it, but you can also just use your cord without using bias inside. Alright, so that is it. So after that, I attached my head, my Fascinator cap to it, and this is what I have on the inside. Make sure whatever you are doing, you try as much as possible that your work is very leave no traces of rejoining or the gum or anything. Like you can see, mine is neat. Alright everyone, thanks for watching this video up to this point. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things, and if you need something like this, you can still place your orders and it will be delivered to you. Alright, so I'd like to mention a few things just before I go, and that is 1, if you are using a molded head, maybe like a round molded head or maybe a heart or anything, make sure you have a 3rd ring to this. That ring will be directly under the head, so you are going to fix it to the head. Yes, and in place of this, if you are making something like this, you are using this type of head, you can just use a bias strip or any other thing to cover the opening of that round place so that it will not expose and it will be secured. So that is it. Just take note of that and see our beautiful Fascinator which is radiating. I hope you love this video. Just don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up and like, share our video, drop your comments, and let's talk. Thank you. Bye bye.